Welcome to LIVENODING Live Noding. In this episode, we're gonna take a look just like an extension from previous live noding. So in this demo, I'm showing you basically the same thing like previous live noding. So we are using an empty, and with the empty, we have like a positions that the geometry nodes can track. And in this case, we actually have 3 different strings making this chaotic noodles type of things. Okay, and if I stop the frame, I can move to different camera angle and then spacebar and then just tap G and just move this locator or the empty somewhere else. I don't know, it's just the chaotic looking threads, but still kind of fun. And okay, I'll show you the setup. Basically it's the same setup using geometry nodes. The difference is that we have 3 different curves. So I can delete the other 2. Okay, let's say we have this blue one, the original with geometry node setup that we created in the previous video. So basically we track the locator and then create random points based on that locator positions or the empty positions, and then on each frame update is gonna generate more random points while we can move around the empty, and then we just connect the dots and create these threads. So now all I did in this version, I simply pipe out the seed out the group output, the group input. So we have this seed control over here, and all I need to do is just maybe I just duplicate the thread a few times, and then for each one of the new one we just randomize the seed, and then on the second geometry nodes I pipe the material as you know, like for group input, so I can randomize the material. So I can have different color. For example, the first one is blue, second one maybe different material, third one another different material. So now if we reset the simulation and run it again, okay, we just select the empty. Now we have this, so we can doodle around forever. You can write whatever, or just draw like maybe like a spiral. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I think what's really missing is I need some kind of VR tool to control this empty in real time. That would be pretty interesting. So yeah, if you might wonder, what if we actually use the same setup, this chaotic looking threads, just use the same setups. What if we just bundle everything into a single node and then simply use it to trace more points? Can we actually do that? That might be possible as well, actually. So yeah, that's probably what I will try to do in the next one, using the same setup, but instead of just 3 source, instead of just 3 curve, we're gonna try to make maybe 100 curves, and could that be more interesting? So we will see. Alright, so thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.